Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. My name is Farhan Anisah binti Abdul Rahman and I'm from S1 GP1. Today I would like to share my answer on practice 16. The title of the article is Education. So, the first question, in discussing memory, the writer says that there are 4 types of memory. The answer is B, false. This is because, according to the article, in line there are only 3 types of memory. The first type can be found in line 7, paragraph 2. Memory is generally associated with recall. The second type can be found in line 10, paragraph 2. A second type of memory is recognition. And the third type can be found in line 15, paragraph 2. The third kind of memory called paired associate. So there are only 3 types of memory, not 4. So the answer for number 1 is B, false. Second question, forming paired associations is an effective way to recall information. The answer is C, not stated. This is because in line 13, going further, the ability to memorize a list of paired items such as pictures and names, common objects and words, and related visual images draws upon the third kind of memory called paired associates. So it is not stated in the article, so the answer is C. For the third question, repeating someone's name immediately after being introduced is recommended as a way to remember that person's name. The answer is A, true. This can be found in line 35, paragraph 5. To avoid future embarrassment by paying careful attention to the name, repeat it to yourself several times and use it in the next sentence or 2 before you list it. So, the answer is A, true. That's all for me.
Hi, I'm Helene and I'm going to be discussing practice 16 on education, continuing off from question number 4 until question number 7. So let's begin with question number 4. How are the lines short-term memories actually disappear very rapidly, lines 19 to 20, and however you can prolong rehearsal, lines 20 to 21 related. So the answer is A, problem and solution. So let's refer to lines 19 to 21. So in paragraph 3, it states, short-term memories actually disappear very rapidly. However, you can prolong a memory by silent repetition, a process called maintenance rehearsal. So in these lines, you can see that the problem on short-term memories is disappear very rapidly. And then the next line states that you can prolong a memory, which means that you can ensure that the memory doesn't disappear very rapidly through silent repetition. And another name for silent repetition is a maintenance rehearsal. So you can see that the solution to memories disappearing very rapidly is through silent repetition. So that's why the relationship between these lines is problem and solution, hence A. Okay, so now we proceed to question number 5, whereby the primary purpose of paragraph 5 is to, the answer is B, persuade the reader to make use of maintenance rehearsal. So let's refer to paragraph number 5 and let's go to the final 3 lines, whereby it states, avoid future embarrassment by paying careful attention to the name, repeat it to yourself several times, and use it in the next sentence or 2 before you lose it. Now let's highlight repeat it to yourself. And then we go back to paragraph number 3, whereby it states silent repetition, a process called maintenance rehearsal. So the synonym for silent repetition or constant repetition is called maintenance rehearsal. And then as you can see in the choices given, they actually use maintenance rehearsal instead of silent repetition. So we already know that the synonym of silent repetition is maintenance rehearsal. And we can also see that the author actually gives a situation to the reader on how important it is to make use of maintenance rehearsal. So which is why the answer that paragraph 5 is referring to the importance or the persuasion of using maintenance rehearsal. Okay, let's go to question number 6. It asks, elaborative rehearsal is, the answer is C, more effective than maintenance rehearsal. So let's highlight more effective and we go back to paragraph 6 where it talks about elaborative rehearsal. So the first line of paragraph 6 states, experts recommend elaborative rehearsal as a far better way to form lasting memories. So far better way here is a synonym for more effective. So because it's the synonym to more effective, then it is the answer. Just simple as that. Okay, and the last question, which is also for the last paragraph by the way, it asks that in paragraph 6, the writer describes ways to, the answer is C, link new ideas to establish memories. So we have to go back and see about the elaboration on elaborative rehearsal, whereby it states that elaborative rehearsal is a process that links new information to memories that are already in LTM. For instance, when studying, you will remember more if you elaborate, extend, and think about the information. As you read frequently, ask yourself why questions such as why would that be true? Also try to relate more ideas to your own experiences and knowledge. So you can see that it is kind of similar to the final answer given, that we have to link new ideas with our already ready established memories in order to memorize better. Hence, the answer is C. And that is all from us today for practice number 16. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice evening. Bye!